Hello, ladies, and welcome to today's Behind the Scenes. Well, happy Monday. We have an amazing unboxing here from Ozai N Ku Resort.
Welcome, lovelies. Well, I cannot wait to see this little capsule, which it is,
Yes.
capsule. We will promise you many, many more capsules for the spring and summer collection. Because
Very
that's
thought out and curated items. Just the cream of the crop for you, lovely.
a lot of time spent, but it shows, and it's, it's so lovely to see when it all comes together.
It's true.
And I can't wait to see how this came together.
It's such a gorgeous collection, and you'll see why we are just bringing you these no-brainer outfits like cream of the crop, just mix and match. This one, a lot of different pieces we can mix and match together. Beautiful travel fabric,
Yeah.
Ozai N Ku is made all in Greece. We love working with this company. Beautiful designs, beautiful fabrics, and you'll see why we love them. But I want to say to you, you have Kozen on. I love this fabric. I wore this one last week when we dropped it, and it's so beautiful.
Lovely. It's amazing.
It's amazing.
It's a great casual dress. You can dress it up. Fabulous.
Great length.
Great
Nice
length. Pockets.
Love. Look at the
Love. I can. This is like it's made for this dress.
smashing.
Or the dress is made for the bracelet.
Yes. And cute little earrings with the turquoise in there to pop. And a ring from,
And a beautiful angel.
But this is such a classic color, this tea.
Yeah.
So
Good
rich.
for all skin tones. Yeah, I feel.
And this is just perfect. All put together so well.
And
love it.
you.
Yeah, so I'm out of my box, ladies. I got a pair of pants on
very
here.
different from
I have Kozen, the gorgeous taffeta pants and the Everglade.
Right.
Feels scrumptious. But I have on the Lousje Bean boxy sweater, the new one that we just dropped. It's absolutely gorgeous. It feels amazing. And I have the longer version on, just so you can see with the pants. I like that. It looks great. And then a beautiful scarf from Love's Pure Light. This is the one with the giraffe. Beautiful. Yeah. We have some nice, beautiful new Love's Pure Light. So check on the website for that. And then what do I have? Oh, yeah. Look, Ambery. Oh, those green. I feel like whoever buys these pants needs to buy these earrings from this Anne-Marie.
What darling little earrings. Sweet those little rings.
Yeah, gorgeous. Yeah, love it. So
let's get
drum
rolling.
roll. Okay, where do I start? Well, I'm going to pick out my favorite color first. Selfishly.
Oh, it's
But
black.
this will make sense. Okay, so we have a beautiful bolero in this gorgeous fabric. It is a beautiful travel fabric, but it feels more like a cotton bamboo rather than a poly travel.
Yeah.
So it's absolutely stunning. All these great details on it. Look at the belt.
It's darling.
Yeah, so it's got an exposed, so like a raw edge, and then the top stitched it down in like an army green color. And they've done that all throughout it very tastefully.
Very tasty.
Then look at the pockets. So
And
cute.
this raw edging won't fray because of the fabric.
Yeah.
Oh, lovely.
cut.
So
Okay.
this is, the sizes are okay. Yeah, this is extra small.
Extra small.
Which makes sense because as you can see, it's got lots of room to play with.
So you'll see how this capsule is going to go. We're going to be all over the place here, but I'm just digging through this box. So here is a piece that will go with that. It is a dress. Isn't that gorgeous?
Yeah.
Beautiful. It's got the asymmetrical lines in it as well.
Oh, yeah.
So the bolero will look amazing over top of that. Absolutely gorgeous. And then what else do we have? So we did the bolero in the army green.
Oh, great.
How cute is that?
How cute is that?
It's just going to fit so nicely. It's just going to be that nice boxy little fit,
Exact.
shorter little length for over the dress. You can put it over the black dress.
Yes.
See, so this top stitch is black.
Yeah.
And this is the army to pick
That's
up.
so fun.
Fun, eh?
Fun.
And then you'd have the black peeking in here.
Exactly.
And play with the jewelry.
Very
Watch tomorrow, ladies. We're going to style these up with all our beautiful accessories here in the boutique.
You feel like little buttons.
Yeah.
Absolutely gorgeous.
Gorgeous. We have a lot of army in Ziska, which will be fun.
Army green.
Army green and Ziska, yeah.
Because it's such a great color too. This color.
So beautiful.
Also for all skin colors.
All skin colors. So we did the army in a pant.
Oh, what a
Now,
cool
ladies, you are going to love this.
What a cool pant.
So the pants are sized. We find Ozai N Ku pants always fit a bit smaller. So we started at size small.
Yeah.
And I think we went to double or triple extra large.
Right.
But really cool here. Like you can see the straight line in the back.
Oh, yeah.
And then some great detail
The
there.
flow of it, right?
Yeah, and it's got a nice lantern.
Beautiful.
Bubble with a dart here.
Yeah.
Just giving it that bubble effect. And I think they're going to fit fabulous.
Gorgeous, gorgeous.
So you can wear it with the bolero, but we have here a gorgeous tank top that is to go. You can layer with. This is going to be wonderful tomorrow, to put these all together.
So much.
It's so great. And then wear the little bolero.
Oh, for top.
Yeah. Oh, I know we're close.
Oh, for not.
It looks fabulous because it's got a little swing to it.
Exactly.
You can also wear the black bolero over to mix and match. And then, of course, we did the pants in black as well. We had to, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. So we did them in black. So again,
Beautiful.
beautiful. We did the tank also in black. So depending on your color preference. Oh, cute. You can go all monochromatic.
Can't wait to pick mine. Although you will pick mine out.
But look at this too, the asymmetrical here.
Oh, yeah.
Like
That's-
all raw edges, ladies.
Yeah.
It's gorgeous. And like Lousje said, it won't fray because of the fabric.
Gorgeous.
Gorgeous. So, and then we got one top in the army
Nice. With a little sleeve.
with a little sleeve for those of you that
And another
wear the
pocket.
tank. Yeah.
Lovely.
It's got a great high-low there too, if you can see.
Yeah. A beautiful swing to it.
And then in the back, that nice straight,
Yeah.
gorgeous. They're on the website now, ladies. Take a peek, but we'll be here tomorrow to style them up for you. But I have one last
Banger.
combination to show you, lovelies, because I couldn't do without having this color.
Oh, my.
Oh, look at this color. It is gorgeous.
This is blue.
Oh my God.
Yeah, fuchsia. It's absolutely gorgeous.
Absolutely gorgeous.
Blue undertone. Yeah, that is so attractive.
It's so beautiful. Black top stitching, so you can wear the black bolero over if you like.
Yeah.
And then I couldn't do without the Fuchsia bolero.
Oh, for the black.
Yeah, or for over the black. Yeah, but for sure for this, because I mean, this is such a beautiful set. I just want to stand up and show you how gorgeous that would look.
Gorgeous.
And then with the right accessories, nice little sandal.
Yeah.
That'd be all set. It's in your travels. Okay, yeah, beautiful.
Can't wait till tomorrow.
I know. Okay, ladies, so watch out tomorrow. We'll be styling these up. Please hit a thumbs up if you enjoyed the video and subscribe to our YouTube channel. And as Lousje always says,
Keep on smiling.